Hello guys, so in the last video we show our answers from the from ChatGPT in a text form. Here we send our questions and answers to our Firestore, and then we stream those answers and questions here in text. So in the next video we want to show our images answers from ChatGPT here. So for that we need to come back to our chat list here, and then down here where we are showing our expanded text here, we need to have some checks here. So down here again, let's have this same check. Let's copy. So first of all, we check if the sender is equals to the current user. We are going to return this expanded widget. Else, let's copy this. So in the else here, we are going to show another expanded widget. So here, the first one, we know that the user will always be sending the text form. He can't send an image. So that's why we are checking here. We are showing that text, and then here now, if the send ID is not equals to user, which means this is coming from the ChatGPT, and we know that ChatGPT is giving us the answers in terms of text or image. So now here in the child of the expanded, inside here we are going to check now. If this is a text, we'll show this. If it is an image, we'll show the image. So if it is a text, let's check now, is text. We are going to show this. Do we have that on top? We don't have. So let's put our is text here. We know that it's a boolean. And then let's also call it on top here. Require it here is text. So this, we know that it's coming from our Firestore, from our inside our charts here, from this field called is text. We know that it's a boolean. So let's come back here. And then on the chat list, we have an error here because we need to also pass our is text. So let's copy that, add a comma, and then paste it down here. Let's call it our is text. Then here also is text. Let's add another comma, and our error is gone. Let's go back to chat widget. Then here, so once we check that if it is text is true, we will show the expanded, the selected text. In the else, let's show the image. We'll say image, image dot network. And then for the source, we are going to show our message, because either way what we send on the message here, it will depend on this. If this is false, the message will have a URL for the image. So let's come back to our application, and then that's about it. That's how we show our image with this code after we check. So we can copy this and do the same in our dark theme. Let's copy all this, then come back in our dark theme here, and then paste it from, let's paste it here like that. So to test this, we don't have any messages in form of image. To get that, we need to go to our chat provider and then here let's change this to false, and then let's stop the application and run it again. Okay, our application has started. Let's imagine something here, since we know that we are showing an image because we have changed this to false. Let's say something like a portrait of a king, a portrait of the king. Let's send. Okay, so we got an image, but we don't have it yet here. Maybe it's still loading. Let's wait for it. We can copy this while we wait for it to show here. And then the other thing that we need to do, we need to unfocus once we get the answer. We need to dismiss the keyboard here, and then we need to unfocus on the text. So here we have it, and then I've seen that we need to do one more thing as well. We need to remove focus from here, and then we need to automatically scroll. So this is our image. As you can see, we gave it a prompt, and then it replied with our image. So now our application shows this image and the text depending on this variable here. Okay, that's great. So the next, I think we can end this video right here. In the next video, we need to put options so that we don't change this direct inside the code. We can just put buttons here to change, either to get answers in forms of images or in forms of text. See you guys in the next video.